Pardon. Baba, what make me come see you now because of Nigerian brother Sumoli. The boy question where Sumoli carry people go business, my boy. Not that this matter I vex me on my own, I be not want to talk with. But family don't let me rest. Because my brother went wrong for acting that way. Now his wife is for face, not be the guy where they fuck his wife. That when my brother did wrong. But not only that, Baba, why me come meet you? I don't go beg Gabani. He say nothing again, you know, saying when I want to see you, I see you, you say I'm Gabani, I will chase you down today. Baba, why come? Sumoli, where go do nonsense, go the beat person because of woman, because of Toto. Sumoli na Bini boy. There's nothing where we'll take wash and come up from this our blood. You with a beat, na Bini boy. So what did they do you if not me, Tony Kabaka? Because I know say I stop on where I know they find trouble, but if person do me, if they pay me, I must ask. If not me, I don't will forgive Sumoli. But for me to beg you, you can't say you forgive her. Now God will bless you first of all. So lawyer, why we come meet lawyer, Epa? Why we come meet you? Because now you they protect this guy. We not make them kill him. Now you stand, we make sure say police involved. Say they're not they treat human being like this. You not do bad thing and God will bless you. You know, Sumoli waiting pain and say he marry woman, he put money. I know how much I spent for that marriage. Before those things can happen. Sumoli fuck up. Once woman fuck up, he never born for you. You let him go. Or her go. But Sumoli went to get and react. I know say that people push up to that problem. People will push up, they go see their own for front. If Sumoli, if we drive on for work, for police work, if we Sumoli go jail, maybe after 10-15 years, we go forget about this issue, we'll see the sea because we all are from Benin. We are from most especially the same area, the same local government. So not be waiting go clean. Now make me come out, come beg you, barrister. Make you losing the bet where you tight. Because now police no one see say because their man fuck up, they want to do their thing. They don't want to see mistake for their hand. But if we will get case, say we not the find case. I don't see what the police they find for itself. So Baba beg. Sumoli where do this thing so now small picking. Sumoli was born the year 1981. If you look at Baba, we don't give woman belly before they born her. Now small picking, we cannot admit that it will behave the same way we behave. Now small pikin, I worry him, but you don't see and say, if now Tony Kabaka do now, say person go, may God not let me see that kind of thing. I don't know if you understand. You know go carry weight. You know why this one carry weight? Because Sumoli na officer. An officer supposed to respect himself before the public. Now therefore be small pikin. So if we can't allow, may go jail. Make them pull the cloth, he not go help us. Gabani, you know my boy, where they respect me. And inside this matter, your papa can't get that attack, he can't die for inside. For you to have mercy and listen to me say, Epa, I respect you much. I want me to talk for this matter. Now God will bless you. And I don't say because I want to talk for this matter, may matter go rise again. My junior brother Sumoli, police not the right undertaking. He go call a lawyer, he go right undertaking, say if any truth do you, me go stand as witness for me and the lawyer. Then go right on. Then for the woman, where we put money for her head, we go mess up. We go collect our bride price back. Make Sumoli living down for God. That bride price we say no they take before it go take her. May everybody do it, you know. Not be circumcise the woman. If woman say something don't tire her, you don't have right to force her. You think get cow or off, you force her go river. But you not be chook here say Montreal water, I go they do like this. Now like now wait till enjoy the woman, now you do. Where me for her people? Say thank God you never born put. Since it be like that, you were boyfriend and girlfriend, forget the activity wey we go do for garage. Na woman wey born for person, na person dey say awa. This one nothing like awa. Na you carry your wahala go. You carry your wahala go. This man wey you go beat, I want first of all, before anything, smally, beside your officer, this is your senior brother that is talking. I want you to beg this man first. Beg him as I'm here. Do that now. Smally bagbe we don't go big way you talk. When Baba when on who get kere. When on who get. Because if no one be I will me. Eh no one be ana smally I will me. Oteme otalo bagbe ba we total. Smally he already talk well my way. Oh, this man did not offend you one day. You not put somebody and write your name, Baba. Sorry, you not write your name for woman heads. Say, now you marry this woman, your name dey head. You not brought her to. So any man wey see her and find woman, you go approach her. Most especially when woman remove ring. I interview her. He say when you see her, I not wear ring. Maybe not the first. Maybe you not get one mouth out like that. I don't know. So you don't have blame for this woman. If Queen Elizabeth will get husband, if he say don't tire for your husband, he talk to me. I go dey happy say I date Queen Elizabeth. Not be like talk. So you can't blame nobody for that. Thank God say he never born for you. For that woman, you not think get anything where you want to do that woman. I ain't get himself, not be you circumcise them. He said, yes, I'll do before. I don't tire, I know they do again. You can't kill nobody, you can't hurt nobody. You can't even swear for nobody. Are you with me?
Yes.
So that love between you now, don't tire and rest. That bad pride we'll give one, we will collect one. Make it bring and come for us. One live matter may rest. You, for me myself, where the top put, make people know say Kabaka. Not they put one for waiting on. No, they get head. That make me say your lawyer go write undertaking. Me go sign as witness. You go sign for your lawyer. Police not the right undertaking, but police they sign. That one for that side. Then for the girl, we will invite the girl come our family house. The money we pay for a head, make it return her for us. We'll tell her make go in peace. Then you look for girl where you find, where you will take challenge that girl, where you hurt you. May you see look for man where you find, but this man find past you. That make him still find. May you see find.
Because yellow.
Not yellow there you want to. May you see look for girl where yellow pass her. Abiepa. So I beg, if I want me want beg you, now you go meet police. Say we don't settle. Your papa burial, I say I go give you money for this. Money we just spend. You say you don't take. You say you don't want money. But on me, your father burial, I will support you with 1 million. For your papa burial. Besides this case, somebody not get one that I will want to you. But that your papa burial, wait that. For inside this problem, I will stand down. Me and my friends will stand with you. I think I will be the chairman of the occasion. If I don't have money, I will sell myself. Are you okay? So don't worry. You and Smally will live together. People will be seeing you. Because a lot of people is clamoring for him to go to jail, for him to remove his uniform. A lot of people is supporting, pumping money for you, sending money for you through, because Smally is a police. He was arresting Yahoo boys, disturbing Yahoo people. But Yahoo people more than see no say, now our brother, we know, even though if they craze, we go carry him, we'll take care of him. More than forget, your brother doing something now to make him die. If he die, what is our gain? Amigo detain me for Italy, say I be terrorist. Today, I forgive him and my brother. I don't get what I'll take watch and say no be Benin person. So more they learn how to forgive. If we they do God, God they forgive us. So I want your apology and I will appreciate you for listening to me. So Barrister Ipadomo, We want you, you know, you are supporting your clients, you are defending your client. If it were me or Smolly that run to you, you will do the same thing. Baba beg. Police say, now una hand, two of una, na matter dey. He say once we don't talk and come from us, the matter go settle. And Baba, besides say I come meet you, we don't mediate like this. I go see once. Make them call the girl. We will talk everything once. Anything we get the girl mind, we see once. Make my junior brother do, I'll tell her make it do. But one thing I'll see beg the girl, make him know say when it is sweet, Baba listen. When it is sweet, I come that marriage, I spend money. Make him use that one, look me. Make him listen to me. Make I talk for this matter. If he raised your class before, make it drop out because of Tony Kabaka. We come make a occasion grew. Since he don't see be like this, I don't know whether my brother behavior is not good. I don't know what thing. I don't say they don't know what thing is easy. So let's take it because man and wife, if una they do things, una like each other, nobody go fit come in. Now when things not they go well, now people they hear. So thank God it's like this. Nobody die, no life is involved. That's why I send my junior brother to apologize to my body. This boy is my phone. He worked with us for years. He have worked money for us. I've not seen him as a hungry man. Before he came to us, he's already having a car. He's a fine boy. At times, if we want those girls, we'll send and say, go call that girl because we know saying a fine boy. Girl will look to her. So my brother fuck up. And they beg everybody where he versed before. Make them forget. If Smolly go prison, if they remove the clothes, we not get anything to gain. I beg una. We God Almighty. They say two people they fight. The second top person is there. He go make peace. More do God do. More leave anything for God. I beg una. Anybody will be the first before. I beg una calm down. Beg. God bless.
Thank you very much. That's all right.